Okay, it's time for your video shoot. Can you give us some fun? Show everybody how awesome you are. Okay, you got to do more than that. Turn around. Can you sit? No, that's lie down. You know, you don't start trying to earn some money here. We're going to have to do something because your rent's going to be coming due soon. And did you know that you are adopted? Yeah, I figured you wouldn't care. You're boring. Come on, do something fun. Come on, do something fun. Yeah. Oh, there we go. Kind of like standing up there. Well, now you're back to the toy. How about I take the toy? Can I have the toy? Oh, come on, give me the toy. Give me the toy. Not gonna share? Okay, you're making me move fast. Well, that was fun. You're not very entertaining. Oh, look at you. But you are cute. You are so handsome. Did you just not want video right now or what? I don't think you know what you want. Say bye. Can you tell them bye?